This is the best wireless microphone system I've ever used. Here's why. Today we're reviewing the Rode Wireless Pro microphone system, and we're going to be answering the big question: is it worth your time and money? And so these are going to be the top 3 things that I believe that you should know before you pull the trigger, and things that I've learned just in my experience of using this microphone system during this time. All right, we'll jump into number 1, the price and what they come with. They're $400, so they're pricey, but the main point is that they come with everything that you need. They come with the transmitters, the lavalier mics, the receiver, the USB-C, the lightning cords, the auxiliary cord. They come with everything that you need. So fret not. If you're gonna go in thinking you're gonna have to buy a bunch of stuff, no, it comes with everything you need. It's an all-in-one bundle, so don't even have to worry about it. And the battery life is perfect. It's great. I've never had an issue. All-in-one device. I also have an unboxing. I'll link that in the description box below. Number 2 is the build and the sound quality. I won't even go in depth with the sound quality. I'm gonna show you 3 clips. One clip where, you know, it's me in an enclosed area using the transmitter, and then number 2 clip is me and my boy hooked up with the lavalier mic, so you can see how those sound. And then number 3, I'm just using the transmitter outside, you know, going back and forth with my boy, so you have a kind of variety in terms of what the sound quality is like in different scenarios. Ready?
I ordered the spicy beef tenderloin, the kimchi rice, the wagyu gyozas.
We're gonna get him blindfolded
like this right here.
Put those sandwiches in front of Jose.
But you know, we're gonna give him another intro. What's going on?
This is Ross Burge, real estate agent with Douglas Elliman.
Right.
Happy.
They sound amazing, right? They sound great. They sound much better than something like this, right? These crappy $30 mics. The build, like the sound quality is perfect, and the build quality is really good. I've dropped them a few times, not an issue. And it cuts out the background noise pretty well too. And it works well with cameras, phones, trying to hook things up and upload your audio and video. Like, everything is perfect. It syncs up well. It works well. It's compatible with everything. You'll be, trust me, you'll be good. And then number 3, who do I think they're for, and my final thoughts. This microphone, the Rode Wireless Pro microphone system, is not really for the novice. It's not really for the expert. The expert might use this, right? If they're on the go, they're, you know, they just need something quick and on the go that has good quality. This is mainly a microphone system for someone who's got a little bit of skin in the game, right? They have some content that they've been putting out there. They're trying to take their content more seriously. You know, they've been in it for a while and they're looking for an upgrade to their current existing microphone system. So that's who I believe that this is for. So that's why I'm going to be giving the Rode Wireless Pro microphone system 9.5 Mr. Schneefies out of 10. Like if you found this video useful, comment your favorite microphone system, and subscribe for more reviews. I'll leave some right above me. Thanks. Love y'all, Real Relay fam. Peace.